Okay, so something scary happened last night. Look at this. So last night at like 3 a.m. I started to smell smoke and I couldn't breathe. Yeah, and then so I woke up and then I realized like a log rolled up from the fire pit to the wooden planks on the floor. And then there was like a lot of smoke in the room. Then started to freak out a little bit. Obviously the log is very hot, so I wore my motorcycle gloves. I carried it and threw it back into the pit. Opened the doors. Yeah, I'm so sorry, Carlos. I've ruined the floor. Anyway, today we're going to the forest, which is Mexiquillo. I hope to see some, I think, petrified trees. So they are like stones now, if I'm not wrong. That's what Araceli told me. And there are tunnels, and then there's a waterfall. Yeah, but before we go, I'm going to look for some food. I'm thinking of gorditas. Okay, we'll see. Alright, backpack is here. And hopefully the gate remains open. I hope it's not locked. I'm scared. Oh yay, it's open. And I want to see more rabbits today, so I think I'm gonna try to get back like around sunset. I realized they're all running around at sunset. It's crazy. Oh my god, how many cows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cows. Oh wow. Hey Coco. I'm gonna see if they have gorditas that I can bring on the hike. I don't know if they're open. Maybe not. Okay. Hola. ¿Vende gorditas? Sí. Okay. ¿Qué es deshebrada?
Deshebrada es carne y chile.
Oh, okay. Un deshebrada.
¿Deshebrada una?
Una, sí, y bistec ranchero.
Bistec ranchero.
Y rajas con queso. Okay. Para llevar.
¿Para llevar?
Sí.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I got my gorditas. 3. Okay, I'm being a little greedy. Now just in case I get lost in Mexiquillo. I will have food and water for a while. So hopefully I get to see what I want to see today because I have no idea. So bright. I can't see the hiking trails clearly on Google Maps or all trails, but on Wikiloc, I can somewhat see a trail, but I'm not sure how well it's going to work because I haven't used it before. Oh, look at this cabin. So pretty. I don't know if there's an entrance fee. Hello. Buenas tardes.
¿Viene de paseo?
Sí.
Ok, son 25 por persona la entrada.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
25.
25? Okay. Okay, what a strange place. So it costs 25 pesos to enter. And hopefully it's easy to get around. Actually, I think it is possible to ride a bike here. But I need exercise. All I've been doing is sitting and eating and talking. Oh, the pathway is actually marked. Look, it says Paseo. Wow. I'm wearing my hiking shoes today, so it's going to be way easier. I know I was complaining too much yesterday when I was climbing up to the lookout point, but it was really slippery. Skechers shoes are not made for hiking on, I don't know, smooth terrain. Where does that lead to? So many small little paths that go somewhere. Okay, look at the map. Okay, I'm gonna follow this main path first and we'll see what happens. So many cows over there. You see them? They're fat, they're not like skinny cows. Let's try to get a little close. Uh-oh, they know I'm here. They're looking at me. Wow. I honestly have no clue where I'm going. I think I see a skunk. So many wildlife here. There's an animal over there, but I have no idea what it is. I think I'm supposed to go in like that direction. I have no idea how. I guess I could just walk however I want to. Okay, we're back to the start of the paseo. I am going to turn this way instead, because I want to go this way and reach the waterfall and hopefully see a tunnel. Everything's so strange. I have no idea. I just know the general direction. Okay, I'm going to try to cross the stream. Wow, it's pretty. It's so gross. Wow. I'm kind of heading in the correct direction. I'm venturing off-road a little bit because it seems to be in that direction. That it is. The good thing about this place is everything is like relatively flat. Oh my god, this place just looks like Valheim. Like the plains. Is it the plains? I can't remember. No, not the plains. Grassland? I don't know, level 1. It's like I could like camp here, make a fire, make my own house, go gather some wood. Oh, really miss playing Valheim. This feels like Valheim actually. I'm just walking around, exploring. Hopefully I don't see any trolls. Okay, I have the biomes or biomes. Oh my god, I don't even know how to pronounce. Let's learn how to pronounce biome.
Biome.
Oh, biome. Okay. Okay, so there's several biomes in Valheim. The first level is the meadow, so it looks exactly like that. And then the next part is the black forest. Kind of looks like this, but it doesn't feel that dark yet, so it's kind of still meadowish. Back to the plains again. And then if I see this in Valheim, I'll probably take like a pickaxe and hack at it. So I don't know, maybe there's like iron ores. Oh, this is not good. There's a river crossing. Oh, I see a bridge. So pretty. Okay, this was a biome in Valheim, I guess it could be like the swamp biome. That's like the worst. I hate that level so much. Like I died so many times, you don't even know how many times I died there. So scary. You see that? I'm scared. Water skaters? And I'm thinking, if I follow this water south, I should reach the waterfall. It makes, I don't know, some sense, right? It's very strange. It's like a giant island of rock over there. This really feels like the dark forest. In Valheim, I'll be like chopping down all of these trees and collecting all of the wood to build houses. Whoa, this is pretty. Oh, I like that. That looks like a baby mushroom. Oh, and there are houses here. Okay, not houses, but shelters. I'm close to the path I'm supposed to take. It's just that I ventured off. Oh my god, I finally see people. Feels so much better now. Ooh, screaming child. The water's flowing down from here. Oh, this is scary. I don't know what. Oh my god, the tunnel is there. I found the tunnel, but it's so scary. I don't even know if it's like possible to go in the tunnel. There's the staircases over there. But how do I get down there? Hey doggy. Why are you following me? Are you leading the way? Whoa, this place is crazy. Like, imagine this waterfall during the rainy season. Like right now it's dry season. It's gonna be humongous. Oh, so the water probably goes through the tunnel? I'm thinking if it's possible to go into the tunnel. Oh, I wish I brought my hiking stick. Wow. I think it's possible to go down. I'm quite scared. I don't know what I'm thinking right now. Okay, let me think about it. Okay, I'm going to try to get down a little bit. Let me see how it goes. I think it might be possible to like go down here. Gosh, why? Why do I do this to myself? I don't really know why. Like climbing up would be easier, so I just need to go down. Then it'll be easier. I should be okay. I just do not know if it's here or here. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm very scared. Oh God. Why? So ridiculous. I can't even believe it. Oh, but there's so much water over here, so I guess people have been going down. Okay, it might be easy for them, but it's not easy for me. I'm scared of a lot of things. Okay, so far, about, I don't know, halfway through. Oh my god, that's the tunnel. Yeah, definitely would not be able to do it with my Skechers shoes. No way. I guess sitting down wherever I can. I just feel safer when I sit down. I don't feel good. I guess I should be going here. Okay, sitting down a big rock. Ooh. Okay, can you check? Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I made it. Oh. Okay. Oh, the tunnel looks scary and I forgot to bring my light. My headlamp. What am I doing? I wanted to bring it. Oh, but the view here is amazing. Okay, a little more. Okay, so I thought the tunnel is like gonna be super, super, super long. But apparently it's just like this. Oh, but the view is amazing. Okay. Okay, we're gonna walk through to the end of the tunnel since it's so short. I feel so much better now. Maybe. I'm still not out of the woods. I won't feel safe until I'm back at the cabin. Ooh. Okay, you think this is possible? Kind of gross. Okay, I have waterproof socks and my shoes are kind of waterproof. Oh, okay, it's okay. Ooh, wow. Mossy. Ooh. Ooh, sorry, too loud. Oh, the other side is way drier. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I came down, wow. Oh, here's his eating. Waterfalls behind. Ooh, it's really cold here. If I find out there's like an easier way to get through here, I'm gonna be pissed. And let's see. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna walk to the edge. Wow. Okay, I'm pretty sure the only way to come down here is the way I came down from. Okay, let's try to get to the edge. It's a little scary again. Oh my god, the view. It's so crazy. I guess I'm probably walking through the waterfall. Like, it's probably not walkable during the rainy months. Wow. Oh my god. I think I deserve one gordita now, right? I went through the tunnel, I saw the waterfall. I checked off 2 things off my bucket list. Oh, gorditas here look different. Look at this. It's like, has a lot more texture to it. And it's also twice the price. Like in Viesca, the gorditas were like 10 pesos each. Here it's like 20. It somehow reminds me of Indian food. Like, it tastes like lentils, like curried lentils. Okay, I'm gonna eat a little bit more and then we'll climb back up. Okay, so I'm done eating the gorditas. I ate 2 and 1/5 of the gordita, so I have 4/5 of the gordita left, just in case I get lost and starve. Yeah. Look at the view again. It's amazing. Okay, it's time to go back up. It's getting cold. Ooh. Wow. I think I could stay here all day looking at it if it's not that cold. But if it wasn't that cold. Okay, I'm going to climb back up with both of my hands so that it's easier. I was down there just now eating my gorditas. This was the path I was supposed to follow from the entrance all the way here, but somehow I managed to like wander off into the forest. But I guess it all worked out. And now I'm back on the normal path. Okay, now we're gonna try to get to another waterfall. And I'm curious to see where it leads to. Let's go. I have no idea where this leads to. Uh-huh. What is this? Oh shit, it's so rough. I don't think it leads anywhere. Nah. Yeah, I thought that was a tunnel. But it isn't. It's just a gigantic rock. Alright, time to go back to the main pathway. Yeah, this was fun. There are many pathways around here, and I'm starting to think that they're all water pathways. Even here, you think? Can't be right. Really not sure. It's a little scary that I'm always alone while hiking, like most of the time. The views are beautiful. So it says that the other waterfall, not this one. Do I have internet now? Not really. Okay, the other waterfall is towards the right. So I'm looking at this path over here, and I'm thinking maybe if I follow this path, I could see the waterfall. Well, no harm trying, right? Yeah, I'm going. It's very slippery. I do not know if I should go. All these dry leaves. Oh my god. Oh. Where's my hiking stick when I need it? Yeah, it's there. Yeah. With all my stuff, with everything. I know I can do this, but it's just slippery. I'm still very, very far from the waterfall. I think I see the road. I should have just waited a little more. I was just too impatient. Yeah. But it's fun. Going through all these. Look at that. But it can't be that road though. Okay, not entirely sure. We'll find out once we get down. Oh my gosh, some sort of road. Well, hopefully this keeps going straight. It should be somewhat in this direction. We'll find out. Waterfall should be there. This is not correct. I think it's too dangerous to go down anymore. It's getting lower and lower and lower. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to go down and then go all the way up. I will follow this path a little bit more and see where it goes. Oh, it's here. Maybe this is another waterfall, not the waterfall that I think I'm going to, but this is enough. Wow. Whoa. This is pretty. Okay, I'm gonna try to get back to the main road now. I'm not sure if I should follow this road. I think I can, but I do not know for how long. Okay, I'm gonna try to follow this track. It seems to be going back to the main road, which is this white line. Okay, I found a signboard. So by right, it should be over here, the main road, but I do not know if I can get through because do you remember just now when we were walking through, it was like through a tunnel. So I guess even if I went all the way out, it would be difficult. And then I didn't really understand what is the meaning of sendero, but I just found out it means path. So I think I'm going to follow this back up, and I think it's okay if I take a longer time. I think I found the main path, the main road over there. I'm so happy. I'm not going to go off the main path anymore. That's it. We're going straight back right now. Do you remember I told you that I actually booked a hostel? Like a private room in a hostel. And then Carlos offered me his cabin, so I stayed there instead. They were telling me that they offer various hiking activities with a guide. So my guide is Google Maps. And so far it's been okay. It's a little confusing. Of course, it's always better to have someone that knows the place. I see the sign, but I didn't know. Of course, it's always better to have someone that knows the place, but it's more fun adventuring by myself. There's like no pressure to move quickly. I can take my own time. I can eat my gorditas anytime I want. I can cut through any pathway I want. So, yeah. If I did this again, I would still do this alone without a guide. I'm on the main road. Yay! I think it's just another 3+ kilometers back to the cabin. So it's not too bad. It's about, I don't know, 35 minutes. Yes! I'm happy. Look at the stone structures. A random dog is like acting terribly. Hey, come on, doggy. That's not the way to act, huh? That's so dirty. Okay, I'm almost there. Dogs in Mexico are really not well behaved. They bark, they just go up to strangers, and they go woof. Very different from dogs in the United States and Singapore. Right, doggy? Huh? Yeah, so I walked a total of 11.5 kilometers. I took about 5 hours to explore the whole park. I'm happy I went off the main road though, because the main road wasn't too impressive. I mean, it was impressive, but going through the forest is way more impressive. And I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna buy food for dinner right now and rest a little bit. Okay, bye. so scared. I'm worried I will fall again tonight. I'm making instant noodles. Just microwave the water for like 4 minutes. Hey, look at my fire!